Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very, very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. Man, if a single minute, I wanna say God, thank you because of this far. And it's a bright morning over here. So thank you so much for the 10 subscriber. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Show me some love. That is the best way you can make your son, your brother to be grow as a young YouTuber. So today I have a good story for you because I was working with the land, and there were some previous day the owner said I want to demolish the house. So I was defend on that. And guys, for me, the good thing about for me, I'm showing you what is happening. And the owner said they want to demolish the house, but we talked to her in good way. So she wanna say that they left the house, so which is a big thing for me. And it's a good thing when you purchase a house. For example, this is a house, and this is a shamba, so this house will be remaining here. So it's resemble that that land, the owner, we've been there. So after this, I'm going to take congrats dad and the owner of the land, and actually we're going to survey the land. So that is it. And yesterday, I want to say thank you so much for Mr. Cecil to make some road to be look good from my Amaras to meet the public Muram road, and which is a big thing. Big shout out to all Jamaican, all USA for being supporting on us, and from also UK, all over the world. Thank you so much. And we get some supporters in other way, like Mr. Cecil. Yesterday he made a huge progress, you know. So right now, if you wanna come to our village, especially when going to a Amaro's place, man, the road was so good. It's good, but yesterday he was making more good. So to cover those small maybe like there's some small holes. And then, man, even me yesterday I launched with my motorbike, but got to the point. Today I'm going to make some clearance for their land, and we shall see. After this, I think maybe we shall make with Congrats dad some conversation to survey the land and to get exactly measurement. So when we go to the advocate, we have everything that are needed. Maybe the measurement of the land, maybe length and width. But the owner said it's 106 by 60, 118 by 60. But we take that measurement seriously, and for us, we just say, let's say it's be 100 by 100, because those are some small measurement. So that is it. And let's go. So after this guy, I'm going to take my baby to see what is going on for us. I'm just use this shortcut here to update you. And I wish you happy Sabbath day. May God bless you if you are a servant. And when you came from church, guys, watch these videos until the end, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about today's videos. Man, you show me some love and I feel good. And this is my struggle of my life every day, to give you best videos ever, and all the way positive vibe win, you know. So guys, don't forget, after finishing this, the issue of the land, I'll come back maybe next week. So it's a day after tomorrow, you know. So I'll come back to my project. Actually, in case you're new here, I want to say thank you so much for your full support. So right now I'm keep on going through tiling of the modern toilet. So 90% we finished my mom washroom, but we made some small part, and also my washroom. So maybe by tomorrow Monday I will fix my washroom tiles for the floor. So guys, in other way, you support by watching my videos, you support me in other way. So like, you want, for example, when I say hello baby, let me support you on one washroom, and I can move on. So I want maybe the end of November to finish everything, which are heading next month, to finish everything. So after that I want to say thank you so much. When I finish my modern toilet, I'll go back to the huge project, which is my mom dream house. So that's been updated my mom earlier. So I put more effort on my modern toilet so it can serve my entire family, and which I feel so good, you know. So like, every day I want to show you that modern. So the reason being, sometime I meet a new member on my YouTube channel, and maybe she can watch the videos until the end and see what Hello Baby is doing at this beautiful village, guys. Alright, so let's go. I just take my baby outside, and I'm ready to go to that land, and each and every time I will take care of that land, so until when things go well. But maybe next year we plant maybe some kales, cowpeas, or maize. But maize, I see that place somehow the land were being unfertile soil, so you can plant things like kales, cowpeas, because when I've been there I saw kales and cowpeas are doing good, and also onions. So this is my baby here, this is my jacket. Wow, so they are waiting me there. So guys, let's take you to my project, in case you're new here. But I know most of the people watch my videos, what I'm doing on this family here. And guys, don't forget, if you right now you see these videos on this house, you see right now, when I'm start building my mama dream house, guys, please be aware and hold me with your full heart and 2 hands, because that's the best way I can improve my living standard of life. Wow. So this is our cow, and that being said earlier, we harvest beans, and the remaining stuff the cow are eating, guys. You see, like this one here, this is our mom cow. We have another one here. So let me take you around. This is my grandma home, and that being said, that the dream house for 3-bedroom will be reached at this point, going up to that way. So maybe it depend the plan which I'm going to use. But I'm feeling so good, and I sit down, I realized maybe guys, through your support I can purchase some blocks, 2,000 blocks, and it can keep pushing my mom's dream house. Guys, for me to be honest, I need your full support, and it's highly appreciated. So right now the school have been closed, so we have my sister here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my another. Say hello. Hello. Yes. You know, when I pass when I pass without greeting my sister and another my uncle's daughter, they wanna say, oh, bring the camera and then say hello. And I realized most of the kids are not allowed in social medias, but that's a part of our family. So maybe, wow guys, so for those who are new here, welcome to my project. Before I move to the next dreamland. That being said earlier, that dreamland, I'm the manager. It's not my land. Guys, please, please, it's not my land. Through honest and trustful, people trust me. And the way you saw last month, I was helping my brother from another mother to get a new land. And on yesterday videos, at the end, I shoot that video. The owner demolished the old house, and we agree that one house will remain. But I make that videos. If my brother from another mother watched that videos, and I know it's a self-man, things like that. So maybe he watched that videos. Actually, he see what the sale of the land doing about the agreement of the remaining house. They demolish everything. So like yesterday, I will talk with the owner of that house, which is the manager of that land. You make sure that one house it's remaining. When you demolish the house, I lower the price for the land. So the owner of the land agree, and she just agreed with my point. So I say it's not good. You are the one who said the house will be remaining. So right now you said you want to demolish for what reason? And she explained me with the 1, 2, 3 reason, and I contact with the owner of the land, So he said he can make 1, 2, 3, but it's a secret agenda. So there's some issues you can put on this social media platform, and there's some private issues, so you must use your mind wise. So guys, thank you so much. This is my project here, and I don't want to talk too much from my project because I was talking several times since it starts from scratches, from the foundation, setting of blocks and bricks, roofing, plastering, and all stuff up to now, fixing the doors. I will be there showing you what I was doing. And for those people watching my videos from this structure were being started, maybe you'll be enjoy and see what Hello Baby I'm doing, man. Try to imagine, guys, when I'm showing this maize, it's a kind of a small. Right now, it's showing matured, bring some maize corn outside. When I'm saying maize corn, I mean this one. See, guys, the maize corn over there. Wow. So welcome to my project, of which by next week, by God willing, I shall see how things move on. And guys, for me, I need your help through this project. Like when I'm installing through bathroom or washroom from my mom bathroom and mine, the cement man goes like crazy. I use 6 bags of cement. So that means the remaining toilet, I will use also 6 bags of cement. Like here, I will mix with sand, but inside you can use the concrete cement, only the mixture of cement and water. But outside here, I will mix cement and sand, so to attaching the tiles here. So that being said earlier. So the reason why being we use pure cement inside here. Technically, these tiles, it can't allow the mixture of sand and cement, so we use pure cement. And if you know, guys, cement has high impurity, so that is why. So that being said earlier, we finish my mom washroom. The remaining is 10%. 90% we finish. So I was saying this for several times, but I don't mind maybe show you every day. But I show for those people who are new, maybe on today's video. I'll show you what I'm doing on my village, guys. See, I put ceiling board on the wall. I put tiles on the floor. I put tiles. So The only thing I was waiting is to work on my next washroom, which is this one here. And they have been closed, but I put the tiles on the wall, so the remaining is on the floor. And then guys, maybe for example, if you want to support me in other way through maybe tiling like this, you see guys, this toilet here, you can do so guys, you can do so. And after that, you know, this pipe passing here is a chimney pipe going on the iron sheet. But I realized my mason who hammering the iron sheets and then make the hole through that pipe passing there. So when I finish this guy, I will go and remove that one iron sheet on the roof, and then the pipe will run on this wall, taking the air from the toilet through outside and then go this way. So I want to finish this. Guys, I want to finish these issues for tiling, and then the last thing that I was working to, the last after finishing tiling, is that chimney, because when it's raining the water is leaking passing through that iron sheet, and then you can see from this part here. So when I fix the tiles, I'll work on that chimney. So this is my toilet, and for me guys, I feel so good to purchase this sitting toilet for all sitting sinker for my mom to use. When I brought here, my mom said me I will choose another toilet. I don't like this one. I said okay, because this one need 2-3 people use this toilet. It's not a public toilet, this one here. So we can use like let me say we can use like one people or 2. That is it, this one here. But for us, my mom doesn't like. And if you want to know this toilet is original, this lid you close like this. When it comes slowly like this, you see it's coming slowly, look, and then it reaches at this point. Look how it's coming guys, look. Let me show you for the second, at least you learn something new. Look the way it's coming. Wow, look, you see, it means it's original. Look, and then it reaches at this point. Look, slowly. And then even this cover, look, slowly, and then it's cover here. Look. It's a crazy thing. You see? Look. And then go, it's cover. So that's the original toilet. And if it's not original, when you open, it's kind of like once like poop, and then you know. So guys, for example, if you want maybe to support in terms of tiles for one toilet, guys, love is for free, do so. And brother and my sister watching my videos until the end, and also I want to say thank you so much to my mom and dad outside there. Thank you so much by watching my videos, and also brother and my sister, thank you so much by keep supporting me by watching my videos until the end. So right now I'm going to take my baby, so I want to go to that land and see how I can solve, because today I want to make the payment and the land. Sawa bas. These kids are playing here. So That being said earlier, I'm the manager of that land. Guys, take this instruction serious. I'm the manager of that land. This is my mom's house right now. So initially I will demolish. Soon, when I get full support, even today or tomorrow, I'm gonna demolish that house. So guys, through your support, I will purchase the material until when it's being completed. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and I'm just here with my baby. Thank you so much. We shall meet for the next videos when I'm on that land, and I wish you happy Sabbath day, guys. Well guys, so I'm also around at home, and right now most of Afghan school have been closed, so we just over with my sister, and let me allow my sister. Usuna shika hapa. See what I yeah, I'm telling my sister don't touch with that hand. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah guys, that's my sister. And guys, I bought some juice here sometime when I wake up in the morning, and my sister sometimes she was sleeping, so I was keeping this juice inside here for several times. And because right now I'm around at home, and also my sister, miguu yako ni michafu, si ndio? Yes guys, so let me sit here guys. Because most of the time I was wake up early in the morning, go, and then when I came back, it's so late, and I found my sister sleeping. So today it's on a weekend day, and I said I must be here. Oh, there's some problem. Small. I will do some. There's a time I'll do the next painting, because this is the first one. So I'll go, and then maybe the end of December, I will paint again this paint once more, and then to put maybe some we call some support for this sofas that you see here, and these chairs I was making inside here also, it can't pass on this door here, so it's so big and wide. So when I'm going to put some legs on every corner, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This one chairs take 4, like the support for sitting on the floor. So right now it's sitting on the floor, guys. Look. So I'm trying to do that things maybe the month of November, and also I will paint this house one more at a time, and then I finish everything, because this is the first coat of painting, and you can see the way it looks like. So I will paint the paint which are shining guys. Right, so guys, direct to the point. I have the juice here for my sister, and I was keeping this juice for the several, maybe couple of days, like 4 days ago. So this is my sister here. Man, I love my sister a lot, because we have only one eye. So I use that as an example to have one eye, just like we have only one daughter in this beautiful family. Look. So right now guys, just here you can see how I kept the juice. This mango juice here, you know, it's called Minute Maid Delight mango juice drink, and it's 1 liter. So first thing that you do is to shake the hand, right guys. So that's my sister, so I want to give her the juice just over here. So we are on the point, we are on the process of shaking the juice, but I received the call, guys, sorry for that. So first thing is the mango juice. When you bought, you shake like this. Once more again, the phone's disturbing me. So guys, after shaking, like you shake, tip. Guys, my sister is waiting. You shake, tip. Okay, let me put for my sister because she was waiting. Let me open. Oh. Wow. I can't wait, guys, to share with my sister. So I do like this. Shikilia vizuri. Hey. That's the juice for my sister. Kunya basi. Nasikiaje?
Nzuri.
My sister said the juice tastes so good, so sweet. And guys, that's the small amount of money that I have, and I bought the juice. I said when my sister, ulipita mtihani? Ulikuwa namba ngapi?
Number 1.
Number 1. Ukweli?
Mm.
So guys, the reason why I kept this as a surprise to my sister, because I wait her when she closed the school, and I asked her, she was top 1, number 1. And I want to say thank you so much, the mom who support my sister full 1 year, the payment. Right now, my sister, she was number 1. But right now, the curriculum changed, the system changed. So the only, my brother who was the one who understand maybe. Mwita, alikuwa namba? Njoo tueleze. So guys, the system which I learned, it's different rather than my sister and my brother, because when we call be number 1, we number 1 up to number last. So right now, from number 1 up to 200, from number 1 up to 50, you know your position. But right now, curriculum change. So my brother, they can help for me. We are on the junior secondary school, and that is it. CBC. Okay, come close. My sister ananiambia alikuwa namba 1. Ni ukweli? Namba 1 ama?
According kwa group yenye aliitwa, kuna group 3.
We have 3 groups.
We had exceeding, have meeting, we have approaching, had below. So alikuwa kwa first group.
First group for the number 1, exceeding. Okay, excellence. And okay, you can bring cup. I put for you also the juice. So guys, that is it. You know, when you want to make your kid to perform good, is maybe to pay the school fees the whole year, so to avoid maybe your kids to be chased away from school, maybe school fees. And like, I want to say thank you so much. Another mom bought for my sister the school uniform, 2 pair each, and shoes. So right now you can add the information that I had from my brother, because education change. Exceeding means, in other way, excellence. For top 1, she was among us of the top number 1, and she went to grade 1.
Yes.
Or PP1.
Grade 1.
Grade 1.
Yes.
Okay, can't wait to share with you, and also I will pay for her maybe next year for the first term money. So no more chase away, like things like school fees. I will stand for her until when she finish the school, guys. Because also this one here, man. So also my brother went to grade 9, and then maybe next 2026 he will be Form 1. Wow. That being said earlier, the system changed. So for me, during my time, I was running from nursery to pre-unities, and then from standard 1 up to standard 8, and then I make my cases, my KCP, and then that is it. But for now, man, I'm kind of shocked. Things change. You know, like right now, you study with your career. If you want to become a teacher, that is CBC. If you want to become a doctor, it's according to your career and goals. Wow. So let me give my brother also the juice here. Okay, I have already shaked, guys. So right now it's a closing day, so I'm just here with a long holiday with my brother and sister. So that is it. Okay, they are enjoying, guys. So I'm planning, guys, also maybe next week on Saturday to visit my brother. It's long time, maybe. He was calling me yesterday night, so maybe I will support her in terms of basic need, things like sardines, maize, corn, and I think so, because I paid the rent 3 months, so I'll start by January to pay also the money for the rental, because he was staying outside of the school, and we pay the money for the rent. I support her. I support him with maybe in terms of we calling basic need, small shopping. So that is it, guys. So that being said, to be a firstborn, most of our small sibling depend on me, and I say thank you so much, God. Be a firstborn, and thank you so much to be born on this family as a firstborn. That's why I take care of my family and all stuff, So I know I don't mind why haters try to pull me down, but I'm stay strong. When I'm saying no, it's no. Wow, guys. So right now this is my juice. Also, I will drink this juice one sip, like. Guys, it tastes so sweet. This is your son, hello baby. So I don't want to give the whole bottle 1 liter. My sister to take. It's at least to share with both of them here. But I'm lucky enough, my mom didn't take the juice. I don't know why. Wow, guys. So we shall meet on the next video. But I'm plan to go on the land. So that being said in the morning, but because we had the church over there, church service going on, the Seventh Day or SDA. So I don't want maybe to interfere with them with a lot of music. Maybe I can get the copyright. So after this, I'm going there to see the land again, So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from my beautiful home here. Oh guys, so I'm just over here, and make this place. Wow. So I'm just over here, and I left my baby here, guys. So I'm going down to look for their land, guys, right now. So let's check that land. Wow. So that being said earlier, so today it's on a Sabbath day, because we have some music of the choir here. See here, guys. So I'm going this way, and I'm trying to show you what I'm doing, guys. So today the church were being taking the service here. So this is a servant church or SDA. So that being said earlier, so here where the service take, and they were being worshipped. So very soon, by God's grace, you have the big church here by itself. So right now I want to give you brief tour. So before we went to make the payment, actually I'm heading to that land right now. Wow. So the good thing about for example, this church bought this land here, and it's the same person who sold this land, so to another land going up to that way. So when you bought the land here, let me show you. For example, this church have been bought this field here. So this is a mark. You see this one? This is a sisal, and it's a mark represent that this land was being sold. Let's go. So So far so good, guys. Today, oh, I'm so tired. Today I'm passing at Jamaican Uncle Land, and then I go this way to that land which we been bought. So you can see even this Jamaican uncle's land. You see, for example, it reached that point, but Jamaican uncle tried to squeeze back because of the road. So you can see, guys, and we're being fenced with barbed wire. You see the construction material. Wow, wow, guys, it's well fenced, well fenced, well fenced. I'm telling you, guys, it's well fenced. You see, and this post once goes to 300 shillings, and the barbed wire, one roll for the barbed wire goes to 5,000 Kenyan money. Wow. So let's go this way. Imagine. So today the land will be approved, and hello baby, I'm in charge of that land, and you can see how the gates are being made. Wow. And it's a good gate, so maybe when he bought the materials, this will be slash, and then when the car come, like, this is an entrance, guys. I'm telling you, this is an entrance. So you see the field, it's so huge, man. So the remaining thing is to put the locks here. So I think so we work on that. You see the size of here, so it acts as a boundary. Wow. Let's go, and then try to imagine this Jamaican uncle, this River, and also on the next I will be the neighbor. But that being said, that land is not mine, but for now I will be the manager of that land, you know. Oh wow, guys, look, huge progress, man, by itself. You see, huge transformation, you know. So you know, if you're honest, you will succeed for everything. So guys, you see that house, I'm going there. I'm going there. So like I defend that house like for like 3 days, talking to the owner. So he wanted to demolish the house, but I said, you know what, you can't demolish. So he gave me some reason, and I'm a human being. I understand the situation of the human being or the issues of human being. So let's pass this way, and man, you can see the materials. Another one here. So construction is not easy as maybe people they can. It's a serious. Wow. Let's show you. Like yesterday, the road was being constructed, and I pray like no rain more, so to be concrete enough. Like 1 week, the road will be okay. So right now we run from Villa going to Nyabuhansi. Within some few minutes, we'll be there. Right, guys, this is my entrance of this gate. But maybe in future, if the owner tried to maybe build perimeter wall, we'll squeeze back, because when the tippers coming with the materials, they will come like this way, and the gate maybe will be the next of these stones there. So I think so, yeah. So maybe for allowance will be allowance for the vehicle, also materials and all stuff. But it's okay, you know. So maybe when I want to put the fence, for meanwhile I'll put here. But when you build the perimeter wall, we'll squeeze back, you know. So maybe in other, I will see the time when we'll squeeze, when we'll put the fence here with some posts. So I'll remove this local fence. Wow. So I'm taking you back to this land, and right now, today we clear everything, so the land will remain to my position as a manager. Wow, guys. Whew. I know most of the people are being confused. Hello, baby. Dreams come true. No, my friend, it's true, but this land I'm in charge of. Wow. So, like, this is the boundary here. That being said earlier, that's the toilet. So, I was talking in the morning. You can see the maize are not doing good here. Maybe we plant things like kales, onions, and maybe cowpeas. So let me show you. And there is something inside here. So I think by next week they want to remove everything inside here, and the house will be remaining here. You know, this is a semi-permanent house, and there is something inside there. So the owner will be removing everything. So, wow. So let me see. Here have been closed. So for meanwhile, maybe I will, when maybe time reach, when install the material inside here, we'll make the metallic window. And also, so far so good, I will have the soldier or security who stay here, maybe taking care of the properties inside here. Wow. So you can see maize are not doing good here. So maybe kales and cowpeas. Wow, you see these kales have beans, also the cowpeas. So this is the cowpeas that I was talking about, and also the onion. Wow, and these are ripe veggies we called morenda. You know morenda, when you mix with meat, man, it's go delicate. When it reach here, it's go like one way, not chewing. This one. So this land will be from long will be 108 this way, and from here from here going that way long it's 106. From here going this way it's 116, and with it it's 60 by 60. Wow. So and also they plant onions here, so we try to give them some time. So far so good. Also there is a mark here, you know, there is a mark here, this one. So when you see this post, it means that this act as a boundary, so it's good to stay here. So when I'm trying to put the post, it will be on this line, and this line going up that way. So when in future we try to build the perimeter wall here, could be run from that corner going this way. And then, you know, when you build a house, you must build the perimeter wall first, you know. So that is the house, and we clear everything today. Wow. Oh guys, it's another day, so we just survive on this new land here with Congrats Dad.
Hello guys.
Yes.
Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. We are here at this shamba. We just want to survey and see whether we can pay the owner.
Yes.
We are trying to purchase it. Yeah.
Yes. So at the same time, we'll be the manager on this land. So actually, we take care of this land, guys. And maybe by next week, I'll put the modern point rather than this one. So every corner. So this is the beautiful house. Have the borehole, have the toilet and everything, and the owner is here. Not over. Yeah. Hello. Yes, guys. So no more hide. Maybe the owner shows here. Come on. Yes, but she fear the camera, guys. Camera. So at least, guys, I show you the owner of the land. So no more hide.
We are trying to see the boundaries Then we come down to the owner. The owner is with us here,
Just
and give her the money. Let's try to demarcate the boundary.
okay, mama, unaweza tutembuza penye inafika.
Mpaka hapa. Okay. Ndio umepiga fence hivi. Okay. Kutoka huko mpaka hapa ni futi ngapi?
60.
Ni 60? Okay. Yeah, you just come. 60 feet.
So this is the boundary here. So maybe the perimeter will be fit here.
When I have the paper, I want to write the 60 feet width.
And give you the paper.
This side is 60 feet.
Right behind.
That is width. 60 feet.
Yes, kumayoweni wakiturembore nigicha wahana matu.
Haniga 106.
Yes, 106 going that way, guys.
Nisihara halingi 116. Anaona hapande kukera.
Okay.
So let's say it's 100 by 100.
Okay.
Yes.
Kama ni hapa ni kapi?
106
100
na sita. Yes, going that way long, guys. It's 106. Let's go.
Pale.
Huko ni 108.
Pale ni parefu kidogo.
Parefu.
Kulika hapo kaenda pale. Pale umesema ni 100 na?
16.
Yes, down long way. It's 116. Yes. Chihendo cho nora nchireho murusi ya mahindi. So tunontegera ko sana.
Hapa ni 106. The other side ni 116.
Oh guys. So let's see. Iyo na harire tatu hano. Iyo kono ngomo baga. Guys, imagine this is a local boundary here. So maybe by next week I'll purchase the silver and 1 bag of cement. I'll do everything, every corner.
Na hivi mama
60 bene.
ni 60 bana.
From here going that way, it's 60. Yes. So this is the gate here. Can okay, oh, look. So guys, this is an entrance here. Wow. You're in a shida tutafunga tu. Okay. The stone is this one. Namagana ngobe no ragurie. Da chemo te bote angora. Musmantsina. Damte magana nkugurore siadi musense ngo hai.
Murbo istiba mbiri.
Pone sasa go hia nimbra go ta mitipa mama. Usidi uchora ta munyamwina bimenitipo ma.
Mreto kia.
Aya. Lazima ntsina magana na ragore.
Mama, nafikiri sasa ndio nimejua ukubwa wa hii plot yako mama. Na nataka tuweke mambo kwa pamoja.
Oh guys, that is my baby, and this is Border Town, so we are at the advocate here. So we need to make the land to be approved. So just over here, and you can see the symbol of king right now here. So it's associated by advocate, and a PO box, Sonamigore, and all stuff. So this is the office here. Yes. Just around here. So here, I'm just over here, and everybody's making confirmation. So the seller and also the buyer, guys. And after that, you put the fingerprints where are needed. So let's wait. So this is advocate office. So guys, sorry for the music at the back here. Wow guys, so it's the process of putting fingerprints. Also
Kalamu, sikiza hakuna sehemu utapata kalamu.
Kila mtu ataweka. Kama wewe ni hata. Yes. So it's to put fingerprints right now. So next it's me. I'm the witness. Yes, it's my time to put fingerprints.
Left.
Oh, left. Like this. Wow. Where's my fingerprint? Ilishikanishiwa hadi ingine. Lakini kwa nini? Right. That's congrats, Dad. Getting fingerprints, guys. It's the time to put signature. Wow. All right, Mom. We finished everything. So, Mom, are you okay right now? Wow. So, are you okay right now? Uko sawa?
She's okay.
So we approved everything, guys. Wow, guys, so I'm back home and that's my baby and my jacket. So I want to show you the bricks which have been made by my neighbor down there. So actually for me, I was having two options, either purchasing bricks or blocks, because when I can build the 3-bedroom, it needs 2,000 blocks. And when I'm using the bricks, it need 10,000. So let's go, because it's according my opinion. So today, my neighbor calling me, oh, come and see, you know. So right now I'm heading there, so to show you what's going on. Wow, because of the sun, guys, maybe I can go back this way. Wow. So that's how my village looks like. And when you make agreement with our neighbor, you must solve it. Whew. So I'm going, guys, and I feel so tired. Like, it's because today's on weekend day, and maybe going to that land, coming back, it's so hectic, you know. Sometimes it's need, like today, because I've been saying it's a hectic, today I must wake up early in the morning going there, because simply because today it's on Saturday and we have the church there, so I can't manage to shoot the videos. So probably I wait up to now. So guys, it depends the time, and maybe you can get this vlog for today. So far so good. I'm going this way, guys. This is how my village looks like. There's my home over there. So I want to check that bricks. So I will ask him how many bricks so far so good did you make. But I see them, it's around 3,000. So let's go. I'm going deep and then going that way, so to meet that owner. And actually he was working so hard to put something on table. So guys, if you wish to support on those bricks for my mama dream house, you can do so. It's like the total amount, it's $400. So $400, I think. If when I can pay him maybe $300, the $300, the remaining $100, man, I can survive and see how I can get that $100 to be 400. So he can able to give me those bricks, and also I would transfer from there to my home, so it could be burnt there. Also guys, I see the blocks from the far end, because one of these days we have a big bungalow on this land here. So let's see, you know. So according to you guys, just advise me, am I going to use the bricks or blocks? But in this case, it's a tricky situation, because we made the conversation with my neighbor just over here. So he was working so hard, he built the house. So the blocks and bricks is here. So differ. I can purchase the bricks and also at the same time blocks. So this is the blocks here. And one goes to 80. That's equivalent to almost to $0.50. And then maybe I could have like 700 blocks, and the rest will be continue with maybe some partition of the rooms and washroom and bathroom and everything. Will be using the bricks. So guys, so far so good. Advise me, when I have 700, this one could take the house round. Wow. So let me show you that bricks were being meant here. And also guys, through your support, I can maybe deliver it one day. Let me show you. He was making here, but right now the time was passing here, he was making here. So that's the bricks which were being meant just over here. Wow, look, just over here. That's the bricks, and which were being meant already are inside here. Look. See guys, so this is my mama dream house bricks. So I can build a house like when it's burnt, it will look like this color here. So just over here, and we need more and more guys. So he continued to make the bricks guys, and through your support guys, maybe I can manage to succeed in this journey, because construction, man, it's so hectic. And you support me in other way. I want to say thank you so much. Also, this guy need $400 to make for me 10,000 bricks. Wow, 10,000 bricks. So you can see they're on the process of making, and he store inside there. And I like the way he store for my bricks guys. So right now I didn't pay him any coin or an amount of the amount of shillings guys. If I could maybe have $200, maybe guys, if you can support maybe $200, I can pay these bricks as we wait the rest of the money when he complete. Man, that is it. Imagine, all this is my bricks guys. I'm telling you, all this is my bricks. Robbie, what? The babams. God. Pero wane ke sense mangara karatik.
Keke sense.
Oto ngonte meregeso.
Wona ke swabe mbakaki mugundu ha.
Hai.
Mugundu
na ho hara ngokimana ngokera. Moto ngonte megano ngara botuka mungu mo.
Foi fonke irugutuna.
Geso.
Twase kera mbe toke ma kera mbe tofauti kirenge labda mbonte biga. Nitemkwe hiri tokirino.
Tate mwegeswa.
Otemere kundu sindi.
Uneta nisire nkubi nangi sokibe yaicho nkoletera masiri. Tante meregeso mo.
Labda ni hirino.
Hawa heke. Karang kama shingefta tuga shingefta. Kama wate befta tu se kubibere.
Vira ya
Vine. Sasa tema ambe gano ke nani mureke sanse ke no ara ke rita fali ratika.
Ini mbogote ke.
Iri heye. Watante mereke soken.
Otemeriga. Ama ke no kumega negeso.
Agano taregeso. Megeso ankiyo. maybe na hare
Na hano iga.
Eh.
Iga kige fatire kyo ke baru.
what ateme hano baga witokya nyo temera maru otemi wi bakahara kerte geso temere geso
Yo ne kondo si egeso. Kini tegeso piwe.
wenga hegara watemeri nyumba yao
Iwange no ben.
tatema ambe hayo.
Sawa. Ya no achukiri toke na asanti hire kirire.
So guys, that being said, this is the owner of the bricks, and he need $400. So in Kenyan money, that's 40,000 to complete 10,000 bricks. Sini kweli utaniongeza for breakage. You can add me around 100 bricks for breakage, man. Because when I deliver to my home, there's some bricks which can be breakage. Akandega time. Karaka kibarako.
Oyagale.
Okay, hata nuricha kukapanga muka sana. To maherera ndo. Tingo to rango ngeno phene. Simbira cho. Moyo international mino achinyo. Sasa chono ta koro mohoro nacho. Serious. Nego ta cho usunko hekashi ga tap. Wata tema 10,000. Ta kunga sio phene.
Sawa, kana bwe ni go aruche kiwanda kigore.
Ophene kibe kiba kenero. Phana chinyo nguchoka no nege kero ro na
Na kyo ichoka ni.
anyo mai kiba kinu kero ko tema kero ne ki tofauti na kero.
Ke.
Na haki umulisho atachere tofauti.
Kyo ne kinini ni. Ono yani kibao kiyo.
Eyo kino ne kinene mu.
Kijuiga nkera na bombere ori tafarire muisho. Tokumata terege na gayo. Itare kwa basaidia ni.
Toma kino mbenkyo gonte mera ha.
Kana tikyombe.
Nege ke hokiri.
Agakena kande.
Haikari.
Atantana kasasi.
Tabiro no pan tafaru na randrenge. Mo tanga ine komande kumeso mura.
Sawa. Achu chokompe.
Lino.
Lino
naliro haga atsiri har. Anyway, haya tatemo aki chupono te mekera. Kano ke isire mura. Noliro atemo monti yore rekeratek.
Tigo inchango temere.
Mani nega haga 3 bedroom. Bedroom tatu. Ay. So nini sumanchi ndai. Okay guys, you see the process of making bricks. So maybe I will try. Hey, kane mboro kana renga. Efumbiri. Kana tachu numeno rogame manarenga kare. Siganga bari. Boro. Naro kambige it's 3,000 bricks. Yero. Kano katara hikamura. Wow, so the owner said it's 3,000. So 7,000 more to go, guys. Oh. Si kibao kino na kidauti. Kira watumi haruno guonde goro gumanga.
Gumanga. Gumanga liwangire biya gumanga. Wangia tora ni biya go.
Biya go yeki.
Wana wote 12 okana.
Shin 12. Iri heye. Na iri pese?
Iri pese shilingi 8.
Pono 8 mara 10.
8 mara 10.
Iri pese shilingi 8. Kwani kibao kila shilingi 12 ku. Na keno. Keno nkyo kote mano nkyo ke haga tirem.
Keno shilingi 8 ki.
Keno. Na keno.
Kambe kiki.
Keno nkyo. Simiti nchiri ya.
Basi kibao kene ko keno ntumi.
Abana kebe size imwero achuba enora mix.
Kibao kene ko kiyu hakke. Lakini wiki tikera. Ambe kwa sasa ubuhene butyo. Ubutira ko ngine. Mumukirane no mutano. Keno ko kiyu. Na iki tikere ngina kirasa ngati kati keno kiri.
Keno. Keno ne kenen.
Keno ko kira ngina sa. Lakini wiki irani ngina ko kira ngina. Ayo honda ko iri mishe ta so ko tan. So
wote tema gaicho. Hani nyumba
Dara tuna ko tema ko nene ko raka bisa. O ngira masini. Ni sawa.
So kiga no ko bono tuire nambo so agi ya.
Shide tape huli. Shide tape hu. Osimbe bado ni sawa. Nora barasi dara tuna karaka beka mirfungati. Karaka kinyi kikosi cha isiko. kandi anogala temi chipatisho lakini tia kampuni ni kampuni yakabe kampuni
ambe kamari nolete kerino mango teko
kuya koga yoga isira kuisomi iyo ndi kazi yangu ino rigotekera hano bene rari
sawa uchontemera ha nasema icho kibro kugatema garaga ha we chinu chimbe chino tachiga icho Jumatatu we chimbe chino tachiganya mwezi wa 22 chongota nda chonso sawa asante. Oh guys, so I'm promising him if I could get this money maybe this month, which we head to the month of November by 22nd maybe guys, and man, I want to build my mama dream house, 3 bedrooms, so I don't want to pressure my mom and then and then I'm out of the case. So guys, thank you so much, may God bless you. We shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow guys. I wish you happy Sabbath day. We shall meet tomorrow or on Monday. Bye guys.